If your faceless videos are getting 0 views, it might not be the algorithm. It might not be your AI voice. It might not be your editing app. It might not even be your thumbnail. It might be the idea. Because consistency does not save a video nobody wanted in the first place. And I know that sounds harsh, but this is the trap so many beginners fall into. They think if they just upload 30 videos, eventually YouTube will reward them for being consistent. But YouTube is not a loyalty card. You do not get a free viral video after 10 uploads. Hello! Welcome back to Smart AF. Today we need to talk about why so many faceless videos get 0 views before they even have a chance. Not because faceless channels are dead, not because AI ruined everything, and not because the algorithm woke up in a bad mood and chose violence, but because the video idea was built on guessing. A lot of people start with the wrong question. They ask, what niche should I pick? But a niche is not a strategy. A niche is just the room you walk into. The problem is, the reason someone turns around and listens. AI tools is a niche. I am overwhelmed by AI tools and I do not know which ones I actually need to make my first faceless video is a problem. That is the difference. One is a category. The other one has emotion. And people click because something feels relevant to them. They are confused. They are worried. They are trying to avoid wasting money. They are trying to make a decision. They are trying to fix something. That is why a video like Top 5 AI Tools for Beginners can work for a big channel and completely disappear on a new one. Imagine this. You are starting a faceless channel. You see a creator with 50,000 subscribers make a video called Top 5 AI Tools for Beginners. It gets thousands of views. So you think, perfect, that topic works. You make your own version, same basic list, same kind of AI voice, same stock footage of laptops, glowing robots, and someone typing very seriously in the dark. Same promise. These are the tools you need to start. But here's the part beginners miss. The big channel did not only win because of the topic, it had an existing audience. It had trust. It had watch history. It had people who already clicked on similar videos before. And maybe that creator had a sharper angle, a better hook, or a reason people believed them. Your new channel does not have that yet. So if your version is just the weaker copy, why would a stranger choose it? They probably will not. Not because you are bad, because the video does not give them a strong enough reason to care. This is the copycat trap. A beginner looks at a big video and thinks, that worked for them, so I will make my version. But they are not copying the reason the video worked. They are copying the surface. Same topic, same format, same thumbnail style, same generic promise. And then the video goes live, gets 12 views, and suddenly the algorithm is the villain. But sometimes the algorithm is not the villain. Sometimes the video idea was too vague. Sometimes it was too generic. Sometimes it answered a question nobody was really asking. Sometimes it was made because the creator wanted to post something, not because the viewer needed it. And that is a painful difference. Because effort does not automatically create demand. You can work very hard on the wrong idea. You can edit the wrong idea beautifully. You can add captions to the wrong idea. You can generate lovely B-roll for the wrong idea. You can even make a stunning thumbnail for the wrong idea. And it can still flop. Rude, but efficient. So the shift is not make more videos and hope. The shift is start with the problem. Before the script, before the voiceover, before the editing, before the dramatic stock footage of someone looking stressed at a laptop. Ask yourself, what is the viewer already struggling with? What are they scared of wasting? What are they trying to understand? What are they tired of hearing from gurus? What decision are they trying to make? Because that is where a stronger video starts. Not with, I want to make a video about AI, but with, I want to help someone who is overwhelmed by AI tools and does not know where to start. Not with, I want to make a video about faceless channels, but with, I want to help someone who has uploaded 3 videos, got 0 views, and thinks YouTube is ignoring them. That is a real person. That is a real problem. And when the problem is clear, the whole video gets easier. The title gets clearer. The hook gets sharper. The script stops wandering around like it lost its car keys. The thumbnail has something emotional to say. And the viewer understands very quickly, oh, this is for me. That is what we want. Because a faceless channel is not just a pile of uploads, it is a promise. It says, if you are this kind of person with this kind of problem, I can help you make sense of it. That is what makes people click. That is what makes people stay. That is what makes them come back. So if your faceless videos are getting 0 views, do not immediately blame the algorithm. And please do not immediately buy another AI tool, because the tool companies are already eating well. Before you make the next video, ask the uncomfortable question. Was this an idea people were already looking for? Or was it just something I hoped they would care about? Because those are not the same thing. And if you are stuck between I have an idea and how do I actually turn this into a proper faceless video, I made something to help. My free guide is called Your First Faceless AI Video. Done. It is not another list of random AI tools. It is a simple beginner workflow to help you turn one clear idea into one finished faceless video, without drowning in tool chaos or spending money you do not need to spend yet. The link is in the description. Start with one real video, not 30 random guesses, just one. That is it for today's episode of Smart AF. And remember, before you blame the algorithm, check the idea. Get Smart AF. See you soon. Thanks for listening. If you know someone who needs this info, please share this video with them. If you found this interesting, a thumbs up and subscribe would mean a lot. And tap the bell so you never miss an update.